Welcome students to the next topic to be discussed, that is environmental issues. Now environmental issues means that here we will study about pollution, pollutants, the causes of pollution and the different types of pollution. That means all the factors that are causing harmful effect to the environment comes under this particular chapter. So first let's see what is pollution. Now, pollution means actually the undesirable changes that occur in the environment, whether it is air, water or soil, and that will actually have adverse effect on the human beings or any other species, natural resources, etc. So, the things which are causing adverse effect are called the process is called the pollution. Okay, so undesirable changes occurring in nature is called pollution. Now, pollution can be of different types. Okay, one, it is on the basis of origin. If we consider the pollution on the basis of origin, then it is of two types, the natural and anthropogenic. Natural pollution means the pollution that is caused by the nature. Okay, anthropogenic means man-made pollution, that means due to various human activities the pollution that is caused, that is called anthropogenic. Then on the basis of physical nature, it can be gaseous, dust, thermal, noise or radioactive pollution. Then on the basis of the part of the environment, it can be air, water or soil pollution. Okay. Then on the basis of emission means whatever is coming out. It may be point source, or from one particular source the pollutants may be coming out, then it is known as point source pollution. Or non-point, that means from many places it may come and pollute the environment. Fixed source, strictly a particular source is there which will give out the pollutants. Mobile source, like the automobiles, cars, vehicles. Okay. Line source, area source and diffuse source. So these are the different sources which on the basis of which pollution can be caused. That means these are the different emission methods for which pollutants will come and contaminate the environment. So these are the different kinds of pollution that will occur on the basis of different sources. Now see, we are telling about pollution. Now how is pollution actually created? What is actually present in the environment that is causing harmful effect? Though that particular substance, chemical, factor or substance, whatever it is that is causing pollution are called the pollutants. Okay, so pollutants are harmful substances which are present and that causes the harmful effect. So the pollutants can also be primary or secondary on the basis of its nature. Primary pollutants means like plastic, glasses, okay, and secondary pollutant means those which are produced due to reaction of the primary. That means these are responsible for production of the secondary pollutants, and that's why the secondary pollutants, they become more harmful. Okay. Then this harmful effect, that is the increased toxicity of the secondary pollutants, is known as synergism. Okay, when if you get the word synergism, so remember that means the phenomenon of having increased toxicity in the secondary pollutants. Again, on the basis of degradability, we can divide it into degradable and non-degradable. That means the substances or the pollutants which can be degraded, like sewage, we can degrade them and reuse them, isn't it? We can convert it to simpler forms by microorganisms. So that is called degradable pollutants, and that which cannot be acted upon by microorganisms like plastic, etc., those are called the non-degradable pollutants. Then on the basis of the quality and quantity, it can be again divided into two types. Qualitative, that means like insecticide, herbicide, pesticides, how much quality, what type of quality, how much toxic it is that pollutant will depend on its toxicity and its concentration and how it will harm the environment or the surrounding. Then quantitative, like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, like these type of substances, that what amount of quantity is present, how much pollutant quantity is present that is causing harmful effect to the surrounding or the environment. So that is called quantitative pollutant. After that we come to air pollution. That is the first type of pollution that we are studying. Air pollution means the pollutants when it is present in the atmosphere and it is causing harmful effect to human beings, resources, etc., then it is known as air pollution. And this can be both natural as well as anthropogenic. That means nature can also cause air pollution and human beings can also cause air pollution. Now, causes of air pollution. It may be due to combustion of natural gases. Okay, petroleum, coal, due to combustion, air pollution may cause. Metallurgical processes, okay, different substances are mining process, minerals, dust, these all are produced from different sources, so that may cause air pollution. Chemical industries like fertilizers, pesticides, they may release harmful gases which may cause air pollution. Then cosmetics industries, processing industries, welding, stone crushing, gem, natural resources like pollen and volcanic gases, all these are different causes which will cause the air pollution. That means these creates pollutant, these from pollutants are created from these sources, and that pollutants mix in the air and ultimately it causes the air pollution. Okay, so these are the main causes for air pollution. Now basically we study about two different types of air pollutants, a primary and a secondary one. The primary air pollutant consists of the particulate matter. Particulate matter means the solid or liquid particles that are present in the air. Okay, so here the natural sources may be spores, pollen grain, dust, volcanic fume, like that. Then anthropogenic, that is man-made pollutants that are present, are soot. Soot means a black carbonaceous particulate matter formed in incomplete burning of the fuel, that is called soot. Smoke, the grey, brown or blackish mixture of gases. Okay, fly ash, the fine ash produced during burning of coal. Dust, the particulate matter present in the atmosphere. These all are different sources, anthropogenic sources, which are the main primary air pollutants. Then we come across the term suspended particulate matter. That means what happens, some particles remain in the air which are less than 10 micrometer and they can remain there for several weeks. Those are known as the suspended particulate matter. Again, settleable particulate matter, that means the particles which are larger than 10 micrometer and can remain in air only for one day. That means ultimately these are different pollutants and they can remain only for one day. So those are known as the settleable particulate matter. Again, different type of gases like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, hydrogen sulfides, carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons and volatile organic compounds, sulfur oxides, all these are different sources which are the pollutants, primary pollutants causing pollution to the air. Now sulfur oxides, this combines with water to form the acid rain. Okay, so these are the primary pollutants, along with fluorides, chlorofluorocarbon or aerosol, which we get in refrigerator, ACs, okay, other atmospheric pollutants, automobile exhaust. So these are the primary pollutants. Secondary pollutants are like smog. Okay, smog means a opaque or dark fog having dense condensed water vapor and dust. Then this smoke can be either classical smog, it is also known as London smog, or photochemical smog, which is also known as Los Angeles smog. Now the various oxidants of the photochemical smoke are ozone, peroxyacyl nitrates, which is also called PEN, aldehydes and phenols. Along with them, pollens and microbes are also there, which will cause harmful effect or which are the secondary pollutants for air pollution. So all these primary and secondary pollutions, you have to memorize them properly. Okay, now when we are talking about the controls of air pollution, that means when we are telling that causes of pollution, the different types of pollutants that are present in air, so we have to also know the various type of control measures which can help in overcoming air pollution. So first of all is that control of the particulate matter. So maximum amount of particulate matter will be present over there. So how can we separate them? So with the help of arrestor, that means some devices are made which can help to remove the particulate matter from the air. Like cyclonic separators are there, trajectory separators there, gravity settling chambers, electrostatic precipitators are there. That means electrical fields are created which will absorb the metallic particulate matters. Okay, and for that reason what happened, those will be get separated from the air and thus it will be cleared, okay, purified. Then scrubbers are there. Scrubbers will also help to absorb the some type of particulate matter, and thus will purify the air. Again, some combustion techniques are there, absorption techniques are there. Then in automobiles also, the fuel that is used, it can be used of better qualities, okay. Then for industrial pollution, actually wet scrubbers, tall chimneys may be used. Different methods and strategies are used, with the help of which actually the air pollution can be controlled, okay. So all these things are very clearly given in book. So go through the books very properly, okay. So, and I think these are easy topics, not at all difficult. You will understand it properly. But the main thing, that is the pollution type, its causes of pollution, pollutants that are present, and the control measures. All these things you have to study them very properly, okay. Like the air pollution, what we have studied also, what are the causes of air pollution, what are the different type of pollutants that are causing pollution, and what are the different control measures. So everything, go through the books, everything is there very clearly. And if you still find any problem, then please let me know.